Hey everybody, Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota and AutoramaAuto.com. Today we have a 2015 Ford Expedition Limited. It's pearl white, 2 owners, Carfax says no accidents, has the power running boards, heated and cooled seats, it has the factory navigation, Sony audio, remote starter, 4-wheel drive, EcoBoost, power rear hatch, power rear folds. It's got kind of that hybrid seat thing that Ford does. Seating for 8. It's pearl white, the tires are deep, the oil is changed, it's ready to go. Seated Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, no hidden surprises. The price you see is the price you pay.